Welcome to Xperts Tech. Today we'll talk about a quick migration of virtual machine. Quick migration allows you to migrate virtual machine or virtual disks between VMware vSphere, ESXi host and data stores. If you need to use VMware vSphere vMotion to relocate virtual machine between hosts or virtual machine vSphere storage vMotion to relocate virtual machine disks between data stores, make sure that you have a VMware vSphere license covering these features. There are a few steps to do that. First of all, log in with Veeam Backup and Replication. Select the inventory option. Under Virtual Infrastructure, expand VMware vSphere node and then select a virtual machine container in which the virtual machine that you want to relocate reside. Select the virtual machine that you want to migrate and then click Quick Migration from the Veeam menu. Select the virtual machine and then click Next. Select the destination to which the virtual machine must be relocated and then click on the Choose button next to the host or cluster field. Select an ESXi host or cluster where do you want to relocate virtual machine must be registered and then click on OK. Select the Choose button next to the resource pool field and then select the target resource pool. But if you want to place relocated virtual machine to different resource pools, then select the Choose button and select the folder. Under Data Store, select the Choose button if you need to change the data store. The Veeam displays only those data stores that are accessible by the selected ESXi host. By default, Veeam Backup saves disks of relocated virtual machines in the thin format. You can change the disk format and then click Next. From Quick Migration Transfer option, click Next. Review details of quick migration tasks. Disable the Delete Source Virtual Machine file upon a successful migration option. The source virtual machine will not be deleted. All jobs to which one the virtual machine is added will continue to process the source virtual machine. Enable the Delete Source Virtual Machine file upon a successful migration option. The source virtual machine will be deleted. All the jobs to which the virtual machine is added will switch to the migrated virtual machine. The backup sequence will be continued. Thus, the next job session for the virtual machine will be incremental. Now click the Finish button to close the wizard and start the migration progress. The quick migration is under progress, and here we go. We are done. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.